Hello, and welcome to Education Modified. Today's quick tip is featuring the EdMod tools and materials. Did you know that many of the strategies in the Education Modified strategy library include customizable handouts that you can download? Whenever you find a strategy that you would like to explore, simply click on the small card to expand it. This expanded strategy card shows more information to help you implement it within your curriculum, including implementation tips, a summary, and the desired results. Today, however, we want to focus in on the tools in the top right corner. These links connect you to apps, examples, and printables that you can use in your classroom immediately. For example, the STAR revision strategy is an accommodation to help students who struggle with making changes to the structure of their writing. You can see that one of the tools for this strategy is an EdMod customizable handout that you can click to download. Immediately, you have a Word document that you can quickly personalize for your class and use to implement this strategy. We hope these resources save you time and help you find strategies that work best for your students. Thanks.